Hey, here we are doing a quick installation video. We're in a FC RX-7 race car. This is the 5-speed super short shifter, gold body, removable knob. For the FC, there is a black Delrin bushing that's included. We've already put grease on the ball, slid the bushing over it, and then put grease on the outside. If your turret is full of gear oil, like it should be, go check out our long installation video, then you don't need the grease. But the grease does help the bushing to stay on the ball if you want to insert it that way. Otherwise, you can just take the bushing, put on your finger, and drop it into the cup that's down here in the transmission. So here we go. In the FC, this black boss faces forward. In some of the Miatas, it faces towards the rear. It doesn't matter which way it faces as long as it's facing towards the front or the rear. Here we go. Let's drop it in. Okay, we got it dropped in. This is a line black boss forward. We take our 5mm Allen bolts that are supplied with the shifter. It's a 5mm Allen head bolt. The bolt size is not 5mm. So we get all these guys lined up and get them started. I'm gonna take a 5mm Allen wrench. Be careful. Take your time while you're doing this so you don't scratch up the arm. There's no rush to do things right. Okay, we're just finishing up. All you gotta do is snug these guys up. Last little, just check them. You don't have to kill them. They're just sitting here holding the shifter in place. Okay, shifter's installed. This is all it is. Yeah. Oh yeah, check it out. That's all it is. It's amazing. Let's go test drive it. Check out how short the shift. It's exact. There's no play. All this play is inside the transmission. It's not in the shifter.